Most of them Rasta man. Call policeman Babylon. I mean look for them and say, my boss, let me say something to you now. Any person who call policeman Babylon, they would have to know what they mean or what they are talking about. But this is the only people that never call policeman Babylon. Because Babylon is a person that is policeman.
Right.
The policeman look for me.
They use police.
Yeah. Mr. Perry look for me and say, shit. You see the time when you ever tell him for me surname? He say, oh, we are all one.
No man, she run so let's go on.
Yeah,
She did them
he
man.
said we are all one. When we check out the Missy family, because the breed of Simmons and the breed of Perry are one.
Right, right.
Yeah, family one. Yeah. And it's like when at the time man look for me and say, then Rasta man, are you here this? I say, yeah man. He said, then all them sweet pepper when I say you plant them. I say, yeah man. He said, Rasta man. He said, son, you will very hard. I say, yeah man. That's the ways of my life. Because with the building work, I do farming.
Right.
So that means that when one should have